how to check any website SSL certificate's expiration date. Easiest cake to do. I've got the instructions in a Google document at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and 3 steps. You click on the padlock in the Chrome address bar. Up in the top left, you'll see a little padlock next to a secure SSL site. And then click on Valid, and in the pop-up box, click on Valid under the certificate prompt and check the date. Bazinga, you're done. You've got a good handle on checking certificates. If you got another browser, you're going to have to look up the instructions, because I'm using the instructions written for Chrome, because I'll use Vivaldi, which is based on Chrome. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.